In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create resources in Microsoft Project. Before we begin, a quick note on what a resource is. In Microsoft Project, resources are the people, equipment, materials, or specific costs that your tasks depend on. Setting them up correctly helps the software estimate time and budget accurately and keeps your plan realistic. Start by opening your project. Then head to the View tab along the top and choose Resource Sheet. This view is your hub for creating and managing all resources. Think of it like a roster where each line represents one resource you'll use in the schedule. You can always switch back to other views later, but for setup, Resource Sheet is the place to be. In the Resource Sheet, begin filling out the columns for each resource. In the Resource Name column, enter clear, descriptive names like Engineer, Designer, or Machine A. Next, set the type. Choose work for people or equipment that perform effort over time, material for consumable items like cement or steel, and cost for one-time expenses such as travel or permit fees. For availability, use max units. A value of 100% means the resource is fully available. 50% means they're available half-time. For a piece of equipment shared across teams, you might enter a percentage that reflects how much of it your project can actually use. Add the standard rate to capture hourly or daily cost for work resources or a unit cost for materials. If your organization pays overtime, you can also enter an overtime rate, though it's optional. Keep in mind that rates drive cost calculations, so align them with your project calendar and working time settings. Each row you complete is one resource added to your project, and a consistent naming convention will make assignments much easier later. When you're done, save your project by pressing Ctrl+S. That's it. Your resources are created and ready to go. To recap the types, work resources are people or machines that do the work. Material resources are consumables used up as tasks progress. Cost resources capture one-off expenses that you want to track without tying them to hours. What happens next is where Microsoft Project shines. As you assign these resources to tasks, the software will calculate work, duration, and cost automatically based on availability and rates. If a resource is only available at 50%, for example, tasks may take longer. If a rate is higher, costs will rise accordingly. With resources set up correctly, your schedule becomes more accurate and your budget more transparent.